Hey guys, the brand sent me this flat flashlight for free so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how unique and innovative this one is. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice about this flashlight is it's flat. That's gonna make it easy to put in your pocket or put in your backpack to take camping or to work or anywhere you may need a flashlight. But of course, the best part about this is the light options. Now, if you press it once, you're gonna see here it go to the bright white light. You can even control the lumens using this dial here. As you can see, as I dial it, it goes brighter and brighter. Now, besides just bright white, it's got this warm white, or you press it again, it'll give you a combination of both. If you press it again, it's gonna go into the strobe. This one is nice if you're stuck on the side of the road in an emergency. Now, if you press quickly twice, that's gonna put you into the UV mode. This one's good if you're looking at a mattress in a hotel room. Now, if you hold this button down, that's gonna do the side lights on this flashlight. Once again, you got the bright white, you got a warmer light, or the combination of both. The other nice thing about this flashlight, it's got a magnet over here. This strong magnet will help you if you're working on your car or around the house. You need both hands. This magnet would work perfectly. It's USB rechargeable using the provided cable, and it holds a charge for quite a long time. It's also got this clip here so you can clip it onto your belt for easy transportation. It's high quality, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a flashlight with several light modes that's easy to pack and is innovative to use.